Touchdown in the motherland. They like, oh really now? In a different continent, better catch up if you hear me now. Mr. Explorer on the go, look, just hear me out. Cause I be
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. It's Mr. Explorer 365, and we are live here in Mozambique. And guess what? It's going down. We are in my apartment, excuse me, and I'm gonna give you guys a tour of what it looked like. Just in case you're in Mozambique and you're looking for a nice apartment. This is Mozambique, Maputo, and yes, it's going down. I'm trying to see where I want to start. I'll start at the bathroom here. So this is the bathroom here. Who is that handsome man in the mirror? Mr. Explorer 365. Okay, so you got a big wide sink. They're really big on health. As you can see, you got a scale on the floor, excuse me. You come around here, you got your toilet. You got a shower nozzle, a water hose where you can clean your floor or whatever. And that's enough for the bathroom. So we're gonna go around here. You got a mirror on the wall. Y'all remember that mirror on the wall? Who's the greatest of them all? There, that's the mirror on the wall. Excuse the room, you guys, because it's a little bit, you know, but this is what the room looked like. It's a 1-bedroom apartment. Yeah, and it's going down. Check it out. You got your cabinets here. You know, put all your clothes, personal values, or whatever you want to hide in there. Let me show you what it looked like with the door closed. This is what it looks like with the door closed. Also, I got another treat for you guys. Let me come back around here, picture on the wall. And over here is also a hidden door to where you can open these up and you can see into your living room. Look at that, ta-da. See into your living room, walk into your living room, or whatever you're gonna do. Matter of fact, we'll walk in from this way just to show you guys. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you're just tuning into the channel, it's Mr. Explorer 365, and we are live here in Mozambique, Maputo to be exact, and it's going down. And I'm giving you a tour of my apartment. Check it out. So here is your living room area. You have a nice table, nice couch, computer over there. Got another table right here. You want to do work. You got your dining table right here. You want to sit and eat. You got your microwave. You hit that and it pops open like that. Microwave, close it like that. You got your oven, fresh oven. It's good to go, you know. Sink. You got your stove right here. And then all your cabinets for your food and stuff like that. And show you guys what it looked like outside. So you guys can see the area that I'm in. Let's see. This is the area that I'm in. They're actually still building in this area. As you can see, Down there they working, as you can see. The sisters down there selling fruit, different things like that. Here we go. Check it out. Check it out, ladies and gentlemen. This is it. You know, you got your air conditioner out here on your long balcony. Excuse me. Tables, chairs, everything's there. Everything's nice. Everything's good to go. You can come out and sit. Let me see if I can get my way back out of here. So, yeah, it's going down. It's Mr. Explorer 365. And if you're just tuning into the channel, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Hold on, I'm trying to close the door to the channel. Because guess what? Work with me, y'all. It's going down. So, anyway, there we have it. Perfect for a king. Excuse me. Stay tuned to the channel. It's Mr. Explorer 365, and it's going down live.